A very good morning to all the students. Welcome back to maths class. Now in the last class we have studied about HCF, highest common factor. Now we'll solve the sums based on that. Now two numbers are given, 25 and 40. Now what you have to do is 25, we will prime factorize it. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 40 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 into 5. Now if you see, to find out HCF, we will find out the common factors between 25 and 40. You can see 5 is common in both. But here in 25 alone there is a 5 left over, whereas in 40 there is 3 2's left over. So the common factor for 25 and 40 will be 5. So the HCF of 25 and 40 will be 5. Another example, 56, 32, two set of number. Now 56 needs to be prime factorized into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 32 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. Now for 56 and 32, the common factors, you can see there are 3 2's common. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. So HCF of 56 and 32 is 8. Now instead of two numbers, now we'll try to understand HCF with three numbers, 40, 60, 75. 40, you can see how it is written, prime factorized 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 60 can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. This is prime factorization. 75 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3. Now HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5 because only common in all the three set of number is 5. The leftover numbers are the uncommon factors. So highest common factor, the highest number which is common in all the three set of number is 5. Another example, 16 and 27. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. Now between 16 and 27 none of the factors are common. Only thing you have common is 1. So I had told you, when 1 is common, which type of number it is? It is co-prime numbers. So 16 and 27 HCF is 1. Now we were solving the HCF sums using horizontal method. Now let us look at the vertical method also. Now three set of numbers, 18, 32, 48. Now what you do is, as we do prime factorization, we will write all these three set of numbers together and first find out the common between them. Now for 18, 32 and 48, 2 is common. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32, 2 24s are 48. Now if you see the next line, 16 and 24 will be divisible by 2, but 9 will not have a common factor with them. So we stop the factorization here and the HCF of 18, 32 and 48 is 2. For the three set of numbers, you should get a common factor in all the three set of numbers. Now look at sum number 6, 105 and 154. As you do prime factorization, we will write these two numbers together and find the common number. Now here 7 is the common number. 7 15s are 105, 7 22s are 154. Now 15 and 22 have nothing in common. So HCF of 105 and 154 is 7. Same, exactly like this we do the next sum, 42, 45, 48. Now here 3 is the common number, 3 14s are 42, 3 15s are 45 and 3 16s are 48. Now you can see here the next line, 14 and 16 can go in the table of 2, but it doesn't go in common with 15. So highest common factor for all the three set of number will be 3. Next sum, 57, 75, 102. Now here again you see the common factor is 3, 19, 25, 34. Nothing they have in common. So HCF of 57, 75, 102 will be 3. Similarly, 56 and 57, they have only one common in them. So HCF of 56 and 57 is 1. Now numbers, again we'll take three numbers together, 777, 315, 588. Now here first we begin with 3. 3 259s are 777, 315 it will go in 105, 588 196. Then again 7 is the common factor, 37, 15, 28. Now you see 3 and 7 both are common. So the highest common factor now for these set of numbers will be 3 into 7, that is 21. Okay, now children, we have seen how HCF can be calculated by vertical and horizontal method. Now we will see the division method. Suppose if we have to find the HCF of 144 and 252. Now first thing, divide the bigger number by the smaller one. 144 and 252. 252 is the bigger number. So 252 will be divided by 144. 144 ones are 144. Your remainder is 108 for step 1. Now 108 will be divided by 144. So the step 2, divide the previous divisor by the remainder in this division. The remainder is 108 and it will be divided by 144, that is the divisor in step 1. Now 108 is going, ones are 108. Now remainder in this is 36. Again the remainder will be used up for as 108. The remainder of step 2. 36 divided by 108. 36 3s are 108. We will continue this calculation, this division, unless we get the remainder as 0. The divisor in the division in which the remainder is 0 now. Now what you see is the HCF of the given number 144 and 252 is 36, because 36 gives the remainder 0. Now another example, reduce 209 upon 247 to its simplest form. Now first we'll see the division method. 209 divided by 247. 209 ones are 209, remainder is 38. The remainder will now be divided by the divisor of step 1. So 38 will be divided by 209. 38 5s are 190. Again remainder is 19. So you will take the divisor of step 2, 38. 19 2s are 38. This is how the division method is done. Now since 209 and 247 both have 19 as the common factor, so when you divide 19 by 209 and 247, you will get it as 11 upon 13. Now one end of the method you can see it is the division method. By this division method you come to know that HCF is 19, but the sum is reduced to its simplest form. How did you come to know that 19 is common? Because the HCF is 19. So 209 divided by 247, both the numerator and denominator divided by 19 gives the remainder 11 upon 13. Here the question is to reduce to its simplest form, not to find the HCF. But to reduce to the simplest form we need the HCF. So in the division method we get the HCF as 19. Why we have taken 19 and not 38? 19 because the remainder you get is 0. When you take 38, here the remainder is 19. You have to consider those divisors which give us the remainder 0 for the division method. I hope I am clear. Now find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. 275 upon 525. 275 is the smallest number. So 275 divided by 525. 275 ones are 275. When you subtract, we will get 250. Now 250 is the remainder. The divisor of the previous step will be used. The divisor of the previous step is 275. 250 ones are 250. Remainder is 25. Now remainder is 25. Again we will divide it by the divisor of the previous step. The divisor of the previous step is 250. 25 tens are 250. Remainder is 0. That means HCF is 25. Why I have taken 25 and not 250? Here because remainder is 0. So 25 gives the remainder 0. So 25 is the HCF. Now 275 can be written as 25 into 11. 525 can be written as 25 into 11. 25 is the common factor and the leftover is 11 upon 21. So 275 upon 525 is further reduced to 11 upon 21. So the HCF is 25 and the simplest form of the fraction 275 upon 525 is 11 upon 21. Now exactly the same sum, same method, only numbers are different. 76 upon 133. 76 is small, so divided by 133. 76 ones are 76. Remainder is 57. Now remainder 57 is going to be used by the divisor of the previous step. The divisor of the previous step is 76. 57 ones are 57. Remainder is 19. Now 19 will be divided with the previous step divisor, that is 57. 19 threes are 57. Okay. So now what you come to know is, again the remainder is 0 when 19 is the divisor. So 19 is the HCF for 76 upon 133. Now 76 can be written as 19 into 4 and 133 can be written as 19 into 7. Now since 19 is a common factor, the leftover numbers are 4 upon 7. So the HCF is 19 and the simplest form of fraction 76 upon 133 is 4 upon 7. Now one more sum, 161 divided by 69. 69 is the smallest number, so 69 2s are 138 for 161. The remainder is 23. 23 will be using the divisor of the previous step, that is 69. 23 3s are 69. Remainder is 0. Now since you get the remainder 0 here, 23 is the HCF. That means 23 will be the common factor. 23 into 7 will give you 161. 23 into 3 will give you 69. Now 161 can be written as 23 into 7, 23 into 3, 69. 23 can be cancelled and the leftover number is 7 upon 3. So HCF of 161 upon 69 is 23 and the simplest form of the fraction 161 upon 69 is 7 upon 3. I hope children you all have understood the concept of HCF. There is a small assignment. Find the HCF for the following set of numbers. You have 5 sums. Please do the sums based on the examples which I have given you. I hope you will be able to complete it. I hope I am clear with the HCF concept by vertical, horizontal and division method. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.